Hey there, and welcome to this step-by-step guide to creating your very own trend indicator in Tradingview. If you've ever wanted to get hands-on and custom tailor your trading tools with a bit of help from cutting-edge AI, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate a trend indicator using ChatGPT and implement it on your Tradingview charts, all without writing a single line of code from scratch. Let's dive in. First things first, we're going to recruit a bit of help from ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, don't worry, it's as easy as chatting with a knowledgeable friend. Open up your browser and head to chat.com or wherever you access ChatGPT. Once you're in, just click on the chat box at the bottom and type something like, "Give me a trend indicator for PineScript version 6. If you're wondering why PineScript version 6, it's because Tradingview updates their scripting language from time to time, and using the latest version ensures compatibility and access to the newest features. Go ahead and hit enter and let ChatGPT do its magic. You'll probably see the AI start working. Code will start appearing line by line. This part might take a few moments, so sit back and let it generate the script for you. Sometimes you'll get a brief explanation alongside the code. It's a good habit to glance at this description so you know what the indicator is supposed to do. If you don't get exactly what you want, don't hesitate to tweak your prompt or ask ChatGPT to clarify or enhance the code. Once the code is complete, your next step is to copy it. Just highlight all of the PineScript code that ChatGPT gives you. Make sure you get every line from the very top to the bottom, then right-click and choose Copy. It's a bit like taking a recipe from a cookbook. You want to ensure you have all the ingredients before moving to the next step. Now it's time to hop over to Tradingview. Log in if you haven't already, and at the top panel, look for where it says PineScript. That's Tradingview's coding playground. Click New Script to start fresh. You'll see a default chunk of code pop up in the editor. Go ahead and erase all of it, and then paste in the code that you copied earlier from ChatGPT. This ensures that all you're working with is your new AI-generated script without any leftovers from the default template. If you ever feel nervous about erasing something, don't worry. Tradingview allows you to create as many scripts as you want, and nothing is lost if you change your mind. Before you finish up, make sure to change the script's name to something descriptive, like AI Trend Indicator or Custom Trend Detector, something that helps you recognize it easily later on. Giving your scripts clear names will really help as your library grows. It's a small step, but it'll save you a lot of scrolling and searching in the future. Now for the fun part. Click Add to Chart and watch as your new trend indicator appears right on your Tradingview chart. Depending on what ChatGPT generated, you might see colorful lines, signals, or other visual cues marking the trend. This is the moment where your custom tool comes to life, built by you with a little help from AI. And that's it, you've just created your own trend indicator, ready to assist your trading decisions and help you spot patterns more effectively. If this process felt fast, try making a few more indicators, experimenting with different prompts in ChatGPT, and watching how the changes appear on your charts. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share how your indicator turned out, drop a comment below. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and strategies to level up your trading experience. Thanks for watching and happy trading.